Hi, love. I know you are celebrating. Yes, come over. Let's make this yummy looking, delicious fried rice. Very tasty. So, inside the pot, I'm adding 3 cups of rice. The water, as you can see, the water is already boiling. I will add, stir a bit, and allow it to pre cook. I'll come back after 10 minutes to check on it, and of course you can see it's already pre-cooked. I'll have to take it off and wash off the starch. I wash like twice, yes. And after washing, I will have to add warm water to it. This is actually warm water. I will add just a little quantity that can cook the rice. Then I will then introduce just a sachet of curry powder. I will stir a bit, add thyme, 1 sachet, salt, and then just small vegetable oil, just small. And after which I'll just stir a bit. I'll cover and allow it to cook. I'll come back after 10 minutes to check on it, and of course it's already cooked. I'll stir to check if there's water underneath. Obviously it is okay. I'll set aside and get the next thing ready. I'll get the pot I'll be using to make the sauce for the fried rice. So this is the veggies I'll be using. I have carrots, onion, green beans, and green pepper. I'll then introduce the sliced onion inside the hot vegetable oil. Mind you, I'll be doing it one after the other. I won't be adding all the vegetables together because they all have their cooking timing. And personally, I really like frying the onion for some time. I don't like biting onion while eating fried rice. No. So I'll allow the onion to fry for a bit before I add the next veggies. At this point, I will add the green beans. And then carrots will go. Then my green pepper. At this point, the aroma is everywhere. I'll have to introduce another sachet of curry powder and thyme. I'll stir. I'll taste for salt. Then the next ingredient is yellow pepper and crayfish. I blended the two together. I'll then introduce seasoning cubes, just 2 cubes, and then salt, just a little. Remember, we added salt during when I was cooking the white rice. Then at this point, I will now introduce it into the cooked rice. Guys, start getting your plate ready. Let me seize this opportunity to thank all my new subscribers, both new and old intended subscribers. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. And if you are just seeing this video for the first time or coming across this channel for the first time, do well and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. So as you can see, it is good to go. I will have to stir. I will keep stirring until I get to mix everything very well. Sorry. Then I'll be dishing it out for all my old, new, and intended subscribers, and you contemplating whether to subscribe or not. Don't worry, it's coming right to your doorstep, okay? Because I'll be bringing this for you. Thank you for watching. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Mwah.